Welcome to another video. So we are happy to announce one of our students get a job as a junior software developer. She took a course here as a full stack Java developer. Okay. So after that we schedule a mini interview. She is a 2023 passed out. Her name is Gridya, 2023 passed out, CS background. Now she is going to share the experience. Let's see the video.
Hi, I am Gridya. I have done BTech in Computer Science and Engineering in the year of 2023. And after that I have moved to Bangalore and joined a course Java Fullstack Development in Besant Technologies, Marthahalli. We had really helpful and knowledgeable trainers, especially Kanagraj sir, who mentored me throughout the training, and they have guided me in a effective manner. After attending many mock interviews, they have scheduled the interview, and now I am selected as a junior software developer in a good and reputed company. And thanks for all the support for the trainers and staffs in Besant Technologies, Marthahalli.